need to change this over. Go on you, go you. Do this. Pin you. Then, why is there so much things to do? You, and you. Right, beautiful. Beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. Right. Oh, move my feet around. Oh, some stuff there. Cool. Right. Evening, everyone. Evening, Clint. Evening, Philco. How's your weekend? What's it called? Clint, my weekend was good, brother. My weekend was good. Got a bit active, to be fair. Got a bit active. But yeah, Clint, let me know how your weekend was. No, yeah, weekend. Evening, Chris. Evening, Gustus. See you at end of the month on the copier. W Ben in the chat, man. Evening, Alex. I'm good. How are you, Alex? How are you, brother? Evening, Lois. Evening, Big H. Have you done your back? Yeah, I have, Philco. Yeah. Evening, Gaz. Evening, Falcon. Evening, Rosso. How you doing? How's you? I'm doing good, Gideon. How was your weekend? Evening, Simon. Evening, Amanda. Evening, Lady Queen. Evening, Soul. Yeah, so back testing wise on Daily Open this month, it looks more likely we move. For me, anyway. Like, I mean, like, I'll show you the last couple Daily Opens, but where was it? So yeah, I'll show you the last few Daily Opens. So I'm changing Daily Open now to entry at the low, and then so normally our stop would be like 1 sec. If you pull it from here, I think it was to here, right? Hang on. I think it was like up here, right? Was it like that? Yeah, it was. Right. Or was it from this low? No, we'll do it from here. No, we would have got messed up there. Let's have a nice example because that's just a dead ass range. Let's go all the way across here. This is the Daily Open that missed, wasn't it? I think. Or did it? Yeah, it did miss 100%. Yeah, that missed. Where are we at? Oh, Daily Open's down here. There you go. Right. Here we go. Here we go. Right. Daily Open example. So basically we had this move up, right? Like this. And what I've started seeing now is this happened a few times actually, but this the better entry now is the low with our stop at the 1.2 fib. So basically all we've moved like this, and then look, that would have been 40p straight away. Like lovely, 4.9R as well. So yeah, I was looking through, and most days this happened. If we get tagged in, unless it goes all the way through to like 1.3 fib, right? Or lower. I saw some where it went to like 1.7 or wait, that's out, and you can't really, like, the idea was wrong. But ones like this, like changing it from basically the low or the high and a 1.2 fib, it's just nicer. So yeah, that's what I noticed when back testing. So there you go. So that's what so for example, that's basically what our entry will be today. Just the low like this. So this low with a stop at the 1.2. And yeah, it's basically what will be our strat now. But we'll have to see. There you go. We'll do nice round numbers because they're all like 0.0s anyway. So yeah, looking at something like this. However, it's Sunday, so I'm very peculiar on Sundays. Because whenever market opens like this, you never know. Nice Clint, nice Clint. Evening Backer, evening Louis. Weekend was good, nice Gideon. All good, had a barbecue, nice. Evening Keat. Ready for a nice Alex. Evening Musical, evening Connor. Glad to see you made it to the right live. Lazy Queen. Just joined, hope you're okay. I have an entry at 4609.74 SL 4602. 4609. 4602. That's a wide ass. Yeah, that's a wide ass thing. Wide ass what's it called? Yeah, that's a wide ass stop. I would love to continue on the other if it wasn't for nothing. If it wasn't for noticing I was the only one commenting too much Sunday wine. Oh god. Evening Jay, one of the rare occasions I'll make it later. Nice Tommy, nice. Where can we see the results at Falcon? If you go on V Social, you can look. Oh, Tony, that's a good thing actually. I think so, yeah. Let me see. Let me see. I think my chart's changed now. One sec. Yeah, chart's changed now. There you go. There's the chart. Let's leave that now. Let me go on our actual one. Are you taking this? No, RVC, I'm not taking this because we're... RVC, remember when I said about like a big wick like this? Right? I don't really take big wicks until we move out of it. So, for example, I've marked that up, right? Right. Make sure you don't take this. I'm not taking it because I normally mark up when we come out of this range. So see the two white lines? The two white lines here, that's the open, right? So when we move out of there, that's when we'll look for our entry. But I just pulled that because obviously we bottomed out here and got this move to the upside, right? So I just pulled that to just test it. I'm not actually taking it. So yeah, don't worry about this buy. Don't worry about it. I mean, if it works, it's good. If it works, right, it shows me that we can actually trade out of this, right? But normally, like when we've got like a range like this, right, and we have like a mad open candle like this, I don't really want to trade the open candle, if that makes sense. So yeah, normally I wait for like this low to be taken or this high to be taken, then I'll look for an entry. But yeah. Yeah, still pending, obviously, still pending. But however, I'm gonna see if it works, because if daily open works here, then it's fine, isn't it? Like, it's chilling. That's actually quite funny. Hang on, I want to mark up our original daily open as well. So our original daily open, right? That would have been 1R now, surely, right? Yeah, look at that. That would have been 1R already. That's mad. I want to mark that up just in case as well. I don't mind a little forward test while we're waiting here. Looks like it's coming right down to break even, so that's calm. But Wixzilla, yeah, exactly. Jason, 100%. But yeah, guys, let me know how all your weekends have been. Like up the live as well if you haven't already. And yeah, man, appreciate you all joining. I'm in a sell from 886. What? Oh, this one. This 886. Yeah, fairs. I mean, it is the 886 of this range as well, Augustus, so that's nice. But yeah, Tony, I've changed the train of view charts changed on my Discord. Don't worry about that. And yeah, obviously still pending. I want to see us move out of here. Once we move out of this white line or this one, that's when I'll look for an entry if it looks good. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna actually mark up a few things. Let's see what we got here. This is an unfortunate miss as well. Forgot about that. That little bi-level miss. That's annoying. Let's delete all this shit. Right, cool. Let's have a look then. Let's have a look. Delete you two as well. Cool. Oh, mate, that looks unreal. Hang on a minute. Right here. Let's make this green for buys. So you got GP plus previous daily open plus previous daily plus previous 4 hour. That is gorgeous. That is a lovely zone. So yeah, this is nice. We'll have a look. Cool. Beautiful. Right. So this is nice. There's gonna be more fib levels we can get in here as well, definitely. So there's one here. That's like, surely that's gonna be like the tip of the 86, right? Off this low. Yeah, that's beautiful. Cool. So an 86 as well. Plus 86. Right, that's lovely. I think we can get like a large, oh, wrong thing. I think we can get like a mad large fib somewhere and something like rely on this. There you go, there's a very high time frame 0.382 as well, which is lovely. Plus 0.382 plus there's gonna be a 256 as well in this, isn't there? Nah, not quite. I don't mind it. Oh wait, hang on, we could actually get a 256 now. Let's check this in a minute. Oh, just about missed. Oh well. Right, so we got like that short term buy, that's nice. Let's have a look at this. I mean, that's all I really want to look at, to be honest. It's also of this range here. Let's go on the 15 to make it a bit more, so you can see more of the range. This range is going to be the point of control of this as well, isn't it? Let's go to like what? Here. There you go, point of control of this as well. Plus previous point of control. So this is a really nice level here. I would actually really look at this. This is very nice. Very nice level already. Right, let's pull this to price action. So, and then there you go. Cool. Right, lovely. Evening, John. Look, this looks like it wants to go down. Earthen, you know what? I actually hear it. Like, fair enough. I mean, if you look at Fu Manchu on the 30-minute, right? I mean, it's pushing down, right? It's going to the downside low. We've got like money flow curve in. Obviously, 30 minutes a higher time frame, but we've got money flow curve in. We've got two hills. This one's higher than this one, so a bit of momentum as well on the 30-minute. So yeah, I hear that. I hear that. Once we push out of this white line, that's when I'll be looking at. Take an entry. Looks like it's going to be a sell, to be honest. So we'll have to see. Right, guys, is there any other pairs you want me to mark up? I have a lot of respect for the fact that you can lose in a day. Oh, yeah, Alex. Well, that's the point of, like, this month, isn't it? Like, you see, we lost quite a bit, but it's not going to phase me, you know? Like, I don't mind losing at all. If you trade all the time, you know that losses happen all the time, and like just because I've had a few good months, like it's not going to change. I'm still going to try and change things to make it better, you know. So yeah, type it out please, Jack. I can't find my guy. Someone in the hellhole has hit them. Wait, type what out, Lazy Queen? The buy level. It's there on screen. Hang on. But Lazy Queen, when our daily open comes in, I will type it out. But yeah, this will be our. Oh, actually, do you want like actual chords for this? Hang on. I'll put this on my chart, but I'll wait for it to come down. TP will just have it the high because of how bullish gold's been. Who really cares? Do you know what I mean? 4362. Wait, was that 4362? No, 4632. So yeah, that's the buy level. Oh, you thought it was daily open. No. We're still waiting for daily open. We're still waiting for an entry. But yeah, we're still waiting for an entry. Yeah, waiting for us to push out of here. Ideally, sweep the low like this, push up for a sell, or push further down, then come up for the sell. Then a drop like that. That looked really nice. But this is also a forward test of the new daily open strat while we're in a range, because I don't really want to. So it's like the lowest part of the range. Yeah, pretty much. Look. Jay, what are your VMC settings? Or if I use the one in the introduction part of the Discord, it'll have the same. Yeah, Gideon, most likely. But if you want like my exact settings, I'll just set. I've got like photos of them, so just DM me and I'll send you them. We on the new daily open. Ladies Queen, I'm gonna forward test this one. Even though this isn't it, I'm still gonna forward test just to see like. I don't like using POD strategy. Would you also skip the range and wait for it? Yeah, exactly, Philco. Check out the 5-minute low, sweeping those before going up. Yeah, probably. Most likely. Definitely this low here. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see. But yeah, right now we're forward testing it. When it's a Sunday as well, the daily open is like there's no direction, right? So the daily open is kind of hit or miss on a Sunday, but normally throughout the week it's better. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens here. Like this area looks nice. If it comes down below and tags us in, I mean, we could really take this. To be fair, I'm not that like opposed from it. I just, do you know what I mean? I kind of want to just see it play out, and I don't like trading in a range, especially when it's this entire overflow. Then I'll look for an entry. Because then actually I can pull off this wick high as well, which is so much confidence. So we'll have to see. See what Vimanji's saying on the 1 minute. 1 minute looks alright actually. 3 minute looks good as well. Hang on, this all looks really nice for a buy. Higher wave curving. Oh. However, we have broke this divergence, which is kind of shit. Bless me. Decisions. Now we'll just let this run. Nothing wrong with a forward test at all. Let's see though. If this forward test works, then I'll be confident for the week. Oh wow, what a jump that was. Crazy. Right guys, is there any pairs you want me to mark up while I'm here? Let me know the pairs you want me to mark up, and then if not, I'll just do a routine markup of everything anyway. I'm not that fast. I'm not that fast at all. Actually, we will do Naz though. Naz a beauty. Evening John. Oh my god, did anyone see this sell, by the way? This sell was redonkulous. What was that? 7R. Yeah, a little 7R sell last week. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Let's have a look at NAS though. I'll probably look for NAS to retrace a bit higher now. We are still in this range though, to be fair. So it's actually not awful to look for another sell. Let's mark this up actually. Oh my god, it's like a golden pocket in the same area. Has it been hit? No. I'm marking this up because it looks nice. Right, we'll ignore this. Make this small, so it's not the same thing. But we'll make this red for sales. Get these coordinates before I even do anything. Actually, it's probably easier to do that. Right. Cool. That's cool. That's cool. Right. So what's in here? Oh wow. What is all this? So it's a. Oh, okay. GP plus previous daily open plus previous daily plus view out close, and that's me without. That's everything without actually. That's everything without actually looking at the other fibs that can line up here. What about this? Oh, there's a 786 there. Plus 0.786 plus. So can we get an 86 on this? Probably not. Oh, we can actually. Right on the back. Okay, that's not bad. Plus 0.86. That's cool. Right, so there's a sell on NAS that I'd look at. Yeah, that's actually really nice. And our entry would be literally at this area here, and we'd probably have our stop like what, this high. Same stop on NAS. That looks really nice. Nice still gone pocket. Same resistance area, to be fair. We just didn't quite get up there, so we take this high and drop. Would look nice. But yeah, John, I'm good. How are you? How are you, John, brother? How are you? The weekend was good. Jay, is it possible if you posted the open straps on GC, because it's harder to watch full live streams when you're front? Wisdom Whisper, I will. Yeah. I'm not taking this daily open strat tonight because Sunday normally ends up badly. Jay, how does your confidence have to? Jay, how close does your confidence have to be to the fib zone? Software, I normally set an alert for about. I'll show you. I normally set an alert for about here, right? So a little distance away, just to look for confirmations. So as if you get confirmations coming into the level, that's when I look for them. So like about a decent bit away. That's all. A decent bit away, not like anything crazy or anything. Just a little bit away from what's it called? Just a little bit away from like the. We taking daily. No, Tintin, we're not. Nah, we're not taking daily open today. I'm forward testing this daily open though now. So I'm also forward testing a buy. So yeah, I'm forward testing. What's it called? So I'm actually forward testing a buy in a daily open buy in a range, because I normally don't take a buy in a range. Because as you can see, like these two white lines on the screen, they're like the two they're the two what's it called, areas of what like open. So if you look at this candle, we've got where's our brush? We got this high and this low right down here. If I zoom out, you can see. So this high and this low. So I don't want to trade within open of the candles. So I'll wait for us to push out, like hopefully we do here, past this white line. To then take an entry for a sell to the downside off daily open. But right now, yeah, the entry hasn't prepared, like shown to us. But this is why I've got this, just because this is like a markup of like, if I was going to take daily open and ignore the range, I would take this buy. So I'm just basically just forward testing, just to see if you can buy in a range. Evening, Mohammed. Have a wonderful trading day too, Mohammed. Was your buy limit cancelled last Friday? John, yeah, I'd cancel all limits going into the new week, 100%. You don't know what's gonna happen, because this, I'm excited. If this pushes down to the stop on the forward test, I'm buzzing, because then we can get a sell off this massive wick as well. To the what's it called, upside. So hoping, basically, now we've pushed out of this. Now we look at this. This is good. I don't mind this. Basically, we've pushed out of the low, which is good now. So now we look for that not the sell. Daily open would benefit with a stop order after price has taken the stop where the limit would have sat. Yeah, software. That's why I've what's it called? This what's it called? This buy is my back tested daily open now. So if this runs well, then I'll be happy. So yeah, that's why I'm just forward testing this. The new daily open buy to old daily open sell. Oh god. I caught a sell off my trend line at 4615. Already got beat. 4615.130. Nice. W Tommy in the chat, man. W Tommy. Tinson, is that what we're doing? New daily open buy to old daily open sell. Catch both. That would be cinema, to be fair. This looks horror. Look at 1 AM minute 30 candles. Oh, whoops. 1 AM candles minute 30. Okay. Well, actually, what's that? So it's 12 now. So this would actually be 12 on my chart. So this candle. So this candle to the downside, you said, look at 1 AM minute 30 candles for the past week. However the candle closed, market seemed to take that direction for the day. I don't know about that one. I mean, we had a bearish candle and we just rocketed. Musical. The first example I looked for, that was wrong. I'll look back though. I'll look back in price, but that first one cooked. However, this one's true. This one's right, I think. Actually, no, it's not. 2 AM. I mean, 2 AM still wouldn't have worked here, because look, I mean, it's not the direction for the day, is it? Because we would have, I mean, look, you would have sold down to like what, 12, like, I don't know, like 1 PM, but it would have took you out of break even. But the 2 AM is right, I think. Yeah, 2 AM is right. First example, 2 AM is right. Second one, shit. Third one's correct. So we're 2 for 2 AM. Wrong. So your two losses for 2 wins. I mean, it's not awful, is it? Another loss. Another win. Yeah, you beat it. To be fair, it's like a halfy. Like it works and doesn't work. Like direction for the whole day. You know, if you just said like direction for Asia, you're probably right. Like you're right, to be fair. I hear that, but yeah. Oh, new daily open strat might be cooking. Look at that impulse. Oof. If this runs 1R, I'm actually quite excited for the new like the new daily open strat, but this is my first ever forward test of it, because all I've done is back tested it for the month. But yeah, we'll have to see. Evening Azuna. How are you, brother? But to be fair, now that we broke this low, I'll be looking at a retracement sale now. So I'll be looking at something like that when it does decide to come up. You're on the job, to be honest. So look at Euro. EU, we use Oanda for this bad boy, let's not lie. Right. Kind of in some like mad range right now. Bullish side, so pull this bad boy across like this. You like this. Okay. I mean, it is in the gone pocket now, actually. I don't hate it. I'd probably look at like this, actually. We'll see what this does. Evening Jay and evening everyone, back from holiday, serious FOMO, hope you're well. Ems, how was your holiday? Let me know how your holiday was. But yeah, I'm good, Ems, I'm good. But it might have done. So you could have just chucked, as long as you didn't chuck a few, you could have chucked a few cheeky trades on, you know? But yeah, let me know how your what's it called, your holiday was. Good to see that you had I'm guessing you had a really nice time, so good to see that, you know, you're out enjoying yourself on holiday. These wicks are just mental, aren't they? JPY wicks, madness. GU. Oh, what was this markup? I mean, it would have been worse. I would have had my entry here. Oh, I must have moved it before. Yeah, I would have had my entry here, and now that would have ran lovely, but we got wicked out. That's unfortunate. Cool. Let's look at Bitcoin. Look at this BTC buy, by the way. This ran insane. What did this run? Crazy work. Actually, no, it didn't. It ran 9.5R. Sorry. Naughty that. Look at that buy. Woof. Insane. That is lovely. Bitcoin's still in actually really nice range now. I couldn't do anything with the two boys and parents about. They are unaware I'm in this coal. God. Ems, when do you think about telling them? I know how you feel actually about telling someone about trading. I did overthink it a lot when I was gonna tell my my mum and that about that I do this. It's a tricky one. It is a tricky one to you know, discuss, but listen, it's not an awful cult to be in. It could be worse, do you know what I mean? Little trading cult and that. Right, there's a nice little buy. Not too unprofitable. Yeah, I hear that. That's what I did. That's what I did. I didn't even tell my mum. Didn't even know I was doing trading until I got what's it called, 3 payouts in a row. So yeah, that's actually a good idea. That'd be my advice, to not say anything until you do that. Till you got the results to back it up, because when you have results to back it up, then that's what makes it. That's what makes it. You know, they hear it and they're like, oh, okay, you know. Let's have a look at silver as well while we're here. Go on then. Oh, this is nice. It's like no confluence in it though. It's just mid. Nah, silver looks mid. I ain't taking anything on that. UJ, let's have a look at you. Ooh, okay. They're from an older generation which think one job for life kind of thing, slowly changing their perception, their one thing. Yeah, M's, I agree. I've got like the same in my household. It's very, you have one job and you stick to it kind of thing. So, yeah, they don't believe in all this internet thing, but look, they will come around. If they see it makes you happy and that you're doing well, they'll come around. Always happens. But yeah, don't worry too much about it. That's what I'd say. Don't worry too much. Because, if you can make a living off it, right? And you get time with your kids, more time with your kids, more time with your family. How they can't really argue it, How are you gonna argue that? You can't. So yeah. Right. This buy looks very nice on UJ. Like unreal. Only problem is I feel like we're kind of in a bear flag now. Which isn't really great. Here's hoping, yeah. I agree. But let M's, we gotta try, man. We gotta try. Can't just give up. We gotta try. But we'll look up. I'd look out for a breakout of this bear flag as well. But this buy looks nice on UJ. What's gold saying still? Is gold looking good for the new daily open forward test? Oh, it is. It is looking very good actually. Oh wait, we need to see if this would have wicked out our old one. It wouldn't even have wicked out our old one. Right, that's actually nice. What? So, our new daily open, new and improved, has run 1R, which is good. That is great. I will need to actually watch this whole thing, see how it plays out, etc. But we'd be at break even now after that wick. So let's see if we tap out break even. Nevertheless, it's a win. So the first forward test of the new daily open adapted strat for August is running well already. So this is good. This is very good. However, sticking to my rules, we wouldn't have traded that as it's in the range of the daily open, but we'll have to see what happens here. I have a feeling we will drop through though. Another way at break even, drop down here, take the low, push further. I feel like we're in need of a retracement, aren't we? Really, on gold, but we'll have to see. 1R B, so would have been tagged. How much did that run? 1.02R. We'll have to see how this plans out now. If this works well, we're literally taking the first one tomorrow. Don't even care, but we'll have to see. This looks really nice. Okay. Right. This is very nice. Jay, could you recommend settings for ATR SL? What do I use on my ATR? One sec, Gideon. I think I use 3 times multiplier for ATR. Yeah, so I use 3 multiplier ATR, Gideon for my strategy, and obviously length and RMA is all the same. Basically, if you get an ATR stop loss finder and just change the multiplier for 1.5 to 3, that's what I use for mine, and it gives you this kind of space when it comes to when it comes to enter a trade. So for example, it's a bit wider for this. So for example, if we got tagged in daily open, right, we'd pull it. Our stop would be here instead of wherever it was here. So yeah, I use 3 times multiplier. You could use 2 to be fair. You just need to find something that fits your strategy, Gideon. But I think the 3 times multiplier is nice, a nice bit of space. Nice bit of space. Cool. Right. Do you have a new? Not wisdom. It's not new. It's just I've changed it because if you've seen, I sent a few photos into my Discord where daily open literally touches our stop and then just flies. So I've adapted our daily open to I've moved our it's 1 this month. So yeah, it's a good start. It's a good start. So basically, I've changed a few things. All it off all off just back testing this month. So yeah, and the first forward test a win. So we'll take tomorrow and see what happens tomorrow. Okay, thanks. Just send out my chat. All good, Gideon. What's TP? There's like any other daily open strat. TP of this would be 4622 or 4623 pretty much. But if you want like the actual TP, it'd be 4622.7. So yeah, this is actually looking very good. Very good forward test, and it shows we can trade in the range, which is nice of the daily open because I've always been a bit scared. Is it due to the top guys being in their yachts or August on every month, every year? August is just a bad trading thing for most people. I don't know why. It's weird. I don't know what it is like with the August time. It's just the market's different, or it changes a little bit. But yeah, like normally August is just shit. Is what it is. Is what it is. Jay, you're gonna have to update the daily open strat we were sent on PDF for joining the challenge. Lazy Queen, I'm not sure yet because we're still in I'm still in like test mode, right? You saw when daily open first came out. I did test mode for a month whilst we took the trades, and it ran like, and I think it did like 36R that month. So then I kept it on, and now it's alright. But obviously, then last month did really well, did better than 36R. If you took everything for TP and stuff. But now I'm testing a new one. I don't want to like give you the guide for it if I'm going to change it back. So you've got like you've got the OG daily open strat. However, yeah, we are waiting for this. Okay, your test mode is cool. Yeah. So yeah, Ladies Queen, for example, we take everything this week while it's in test mode and all the tests run well. Well, we've got 1 win already, right? Yeah, like I'll make a new one. I mean, there's not really much to change. It's just more like what's it called? Changing where the entry and stop is. So it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. It's all good. Any entry on gold? Backer, I've got this gold buy down here. Yeah, I've got this gold buy down here that I'm looking at. Most likely will hit probably tomorrow. Sometime. So yeah. But yeah, Ladies Queen. The best thing about these lives is like I'll take you guys through like the testing side of it. You won't just see like me trade. You'll see me test. You'll see me forward test. I mean, you see me lose a lot this month as well, which like considering the last 2 months, I don't think I've lost more than a couple times. It's a bit weird. But yeah, like that's the best thing about these lives. Like you'll be seeing me go through testing and stuff. Do you use TypeScript to backtest? No, I use literally. I am like an old man. Or sometimes I use an Excel spreadsheet. It depends. I use the notes on my phone or Excel spreadsheet, and I just scroll back in the chart and backtest. So it depends. I either use the notes or the backtesting thing. What's the SL for this one? The stop loss for this daily open is daily open, right? So yeah, this was our daily open. This was our new daily open buy. This is what it was. Yeah, all lost with you, but all won with you. That's trading. We still with you. W Lady Queen, man. But yeah, I agree. So you believe gold will go down? Backer, no idea. We'll have to see how Sunday. Sunday's very Sundays are very different. Sundays are very odd. Not gonna lie. So yeah, better than New York's where what's it called? New York's where like it genuinely starts picking up. Are you expecting it to fly up a bit soon? I hope so, Dazzler. I hope so. If this is TP on our first test, then I'm buzzing. I remember when we hit the shot up straight, like I don't know how many pips, but my 0.5 maybe 250 on a 150 account. W backer, man. Yeah, did a year back testing and orb strat for the New York breakout of London Highland. RM's back testing is stinking. Back testing stinks so much. You got to do it because like you want to do it, but oh my god, I don't think it's not for the faint-hearted. It's not for the faint-hearted at all. Since then, I've been on your lives. W backer, man. Respect backer, respect. M's putting the work in. WM's, man. Hopefully, W Dazzlon. I wish you the most success, Jay. On my days, you're amazing. Wisdom, are you in this? Are you in this? Are you? But yeah, it's running nice now. I think it's running like what is this running? Yeah, 1.5R. It's running nice now. Running very nice. So yeah, the first test of the Daily Open, it's so back. Daily Open is so back. I want to hear in the chat. Daily Open is so back. The forward test is cooking. It's so back. It is so back. Like that's about 2R now. 2.2R. The Daily Open's back. It's back, baby. W backer, man. I agree. The thing is though, right? I think Daily Open. The thing with Daily Open is, so we hit 2 break-evens this month. We've had 2 TPs, and we've had 7 losses. So we're at 1R on the Daily Open, right? We're at 1R. Like that's if you took every stream. So obviously, for example, if someone missed one stream and they missed a TP, they're shit in losses, isn't they? Like they're shit in losses, which is just average person, to be honest, because not everyone makes every live stream. However, this is why I needed to wait for the data to pass through. Because now that we've got 3 weeks of data, that's what I 3 weeks of data is what I call like it's back testable. Because you can't do 2 weeks, you can't do 1 week. 1 week's shit, 2 weeks is shit. 3 weeks is like concrete. It happened. It happened, right? But now with the new Daily Open, as you can see, running lovely now. So if this goes in its TP, I feel like it's going to be a good week. I feel like it's going to be a good week for Daily Open. I do. Cue the start from the bottom now. We'll hear music. I'll start money spreading on that. Start money spreading everywhere. Dub Daily Open, Dub J, W Clip man, W Alex, W Zuna man. We back. We're so back. Back like we never left. This is what I love. This is what I love though. I love shit like this. Like when it all starts going well after all that. Bro, we're cooking. We're so cooking. But yeah, man. I think. Did you take this Daily Open, Jay? Ash, I did not. No. Ash, this is just a forward test of the Daily Open. The main thing with trading is a lot of people don't realize. Like, I have a strategy that worked, right? So all it needed is tweaking, because we've seen it wick us out and run 40R, right? So what I did differently was I back tested 3 weeks, and over the 3 weeks, right? So I took you take screenshots of every single entry, right? Every single trade that happened. 3 trades of them, we got wicked out and it was the wrong idea, right? 3 of the, what's it called? 3 of the trades, the idea was completely shite this month. But, the rest were either wicking us out at the 1.2 fib, wicking us out at the 1.3 fib, right? And then running perfect. So basically what I did was I changed the entry because I want us to get the best art, right? So mostly, if not all of them, hit the low. So cool. The low is now the entry. Sorted. That's why backtesting is so good. You can figure out the entry perfect. Entry, bang on. Stop loss, right. Do I want it 1.3 to keep us in like, I think it was like 3 trades went past 1.2 and into 1.3. Do I keep it at 1.3 for the less R potential? Maybe. If I wanted win rate to be massive. But I don't care. I want us to have the most R. So I'm keeping it at 1.2. And yeah, as you can see, look, running perfect. Running absolute perfect. So yeah, that is why all I changed was I moved our stop down a fib placement, and I moved our entry down a fib placement. So entry's now at the low or the high, fib stop loss is at the 1.2 fib, not the 1.1. So yeah, just allowing us more room, better entry, more room, sorted. At what point do we start spamming 6-7? Probably now, Ems. We're almost at TP. And also, I forgot to say this, and also, with this new entry formula, it's more R. The high is now like 5R, not 4R, which is even better, right? So we haven't just got a better entry and a nicer stop. We've got a better entry, a nicer stop, and more R potential. So for example, you risk 100 quid on the daily open. If it's TP, you're going to make 500 quid. That 500 quid a night. Okay. So in August we're at 1R. Wisdom, we're at 1R on the daily open, yeah. On the daily open, yeah. J, those ones that were completely wrong ideas, don't you think it was because of news? Gideon, 2 of them, Trump did say, one of them was Ukraine was bombing Iran, so you could kind of say that's news. The other one was what's it called? The Treasury like released some stuff, so that could have played a part. But genuinely, I think 2 of them were just wrong. The only one I think, what's it called? 2 of them I do think, like, were wrong ideas. I won't blame it on news, but one of them was news, to be fair. Jay, you did all this over the weekend. You're goated. Gideon, you know the best thing was, right? So, I saw one of my mates I haven't seen for about a year or 2 years, right? So we went out for a little drinky poo on Friday, right? We went out for a little drinky poo on Friday, and what's it called? Did that. So I didn't just backtest the daily open and make it different, right? And make it so we get our first win this week already, right? Didn't just do that. I went out that night, and then also on Saturday, that same mate was like, "Oh, I want to see like all the boys now." So all the boys went over. So I went out Friday with him just for a few drinky poos, and then the next day went out like for more drinky poos. So I went out for this just shows trading. You can literally do trading alongside anything. Like I went out for a drinky poo 2 nights in a row, right? With my mates. I hadn't seen anything, right? I hadn't seen in like 2 years. Then still managed to do the back test, still managed to sort of routine that I've got to do, still managed to like go through all this back testing over 3 weeks, and then also come on live, be fine, and show you and give you like a winning trade forward test. So yeah. That's why I always say like hard work always beats talent. Like you can go do whatever you want. Like if you have a passion fucking, I don't know, stacking cups, mate, right? You can go stack your fucking cups, but as long as you put the hard work in, you'll be fine. Every time. Jay, I'm feeding my kids this week beans or oysters. Oh god. Wait, Lazy Queen, do they like oysters, do they? I ate oysters, me. Oysters, I can't be dealing with oysters, Lazy Queen. Sorry. Can't be dealing with that. That is poor. I ate oysters. Ugh. No thanks. No good. No good. But yeah, by the looks of things, right to TP we go, I guess. Like I said, if daily open banks don't have to trade all day, this is the thing, Sadie Lamb. What would be like? This is why this is why I say, like, this daily open strat could literally just, like, feed families, bro. It actually could. You wouldn't have to trade anything. Like, you wouldn't have to trade at all. You could literally wake up, not even wake up, stay awake in Asia, right? If I nail this strat, right? If I nail this strat, trust me, I will not be trading throughout the day. I actually won't be. If I can nail this and get it pretty much perfect, right? Like perfect on what's it called? Like perfect to a point where like you can actually get it properly. Like, oh, insane. Damn right, say lamp. Yeah, for real, Lazy Queen. But you make it look easy. The best way I can explain it, Gideon, is like I've done this for a while. Like once you get in the group, it's right. The best way, right, listen here. The way you can reach flow state within trading is you sit at your desk, you chuck your laptop down, right, and you go, right, I need to backtest all this shit, and you sit there and go, I've got so much shit to backtest now. Fuck. So what you don't do is you don't sit there, you open your phone and go on TikTok, because then you'll just brainwash yourself and just brain rot for about an hour. Don't do that. What you do is you pull up your Excel spreadsheet, right? And then you put on, what you do, you get your headphones. Or, better yet, your TV. You open it up, you open bad boy. Oh, and now I've gone dark. What's just happened? Where, my bag? Oh no. Oh, I'm back. What just happened? But yeah, you basically just put some tunes on and just get in flow state. So good. WMs. Yes, mate, absolutely. W John, man. Lol, what I missed, I fell asleep. Oh god. Stay awake for Asia, take some partial step either. 100% Sade Lamb. Like, literally, you could actually have it. So you could take daily open, right? Wait for it to get to about 2-3 hour. I'd set possibly and go bed. Well, set B at 1 hour, but then take partials at thingy. Take partials at 2.5 hour. Then you're fine. W Gideon. Lol, took a sell instead, closed up. Go on, Farouk. The Rothschilds are hacking you, taking their profits. Bro, I'm using my setup. It's fine. I use it every time. My like everything just went off. My camera, mic, and light just all died. Oh, Toblex. Oh my god, Toblex. Please change your name to 6'7". Toblex 6'6". Toblex 6'6". Get out. It needs to be Toblex 6'7". It can't be 6'6". This is. I'm not even joking. Toblex, come on, man. You've got to be 6'7". It has to be done, mate. Listen, it has to be done. I don't know, like how you can do it, but just change your YouTube name to Toblex 6'7". But Toblex not missing much, mate. Just chilling. Oh geez, not Toblex. You tell him, Mems. You have him. I plan to be focused on VMC this week, but I have to try and attend classes somehow. Gideon, the main thing you can do with that is attend the classes, their priority, then do trading after. Because right now, what's gonna keep you floating and keep you able to trade is your classes, right? So yeah, ignore the what's it called? Ignore like trading until you do the classes. Do the classes, then trade at night. That's what I used to do. When I used to work a job, I used to go to my job in the morning, work all the way through the day. Soon as my work finished, I'd have food, then I'd go straight on to trading. Because that's how it is. You need to realize you need to use your job to fund your trading to then, in the end, what you're going to be doing? Using the trading to fund your way out of the job. So yeah, that's the main thing. Always make if this hits TP, then that's a good forward test, and then I'm happy. So yeah, if this is TP, I'm gonna be happy. Like, we chilling. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, boys, gassed. What's Nas looking like? M's is at this. I don't know what that. I don't know what that. Right, right. M's. I'm looking at this cell on Nas. Right, this cell here. However, I've got a massive box of something over here that's doing my head in. Wait, hang on. What is this biome here? I don't even know where that's come from. How has that been? Oh wait. Oh, I've had this biome for ages. I'm just an idiot. Okay, great. Now I know why I had it so far away, so I didn't get it all over my chart. That makes a lot of sense. That makes way more sense, actually. Way more sense. Right. Let's go back on the screen. That's lovely. Is there a chance that you took this trade privately, Jay? No. No. Never, mate. Musical? Never. Never. I'd never do that. Anyway, dude, what am I missing exactly? You know what you're missing, Toblex? Me flirting with you. Just me flirting. Because you're just a little cutie. Alright? You listen here, you little cutie. Alright? Thanks for the good advice, brother. All good, Gideon. Jay, what's the Craig Sniper V7 indicator? So, what the V7 uses, Craig can correct me if I'm wrong. It's probably better asking him in the Discord. However, what I believe it uses like the daily pivot and like bias within the market, as well as like Fu Manchu. So I think there's like three things paired, and it gives you like when bullish signals are given. I think it uses candles as well. So it uses like confirmations with Fu Manchu and candles, and then like uses the daily pivot as well on how to like enter trades and stuff. I don't use it anymore. I used to use it back in the day when it was like just a pivot and you use Fu Manchu for confirmation. That's what I used to use. But it's now like, I think it gives you all like the confirmations for you and stuff. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't use it anymore because it's way too much shit to look on my screen, to be honest. But yeah, it basically uses pivots, Fu Manchu, and I think it uses candle confirmations as well. But if you want the full breakdown of it, like the full shebang, I'd ask Craig in the Discord. That's just my opinion. Ask Craig in the Discord, eats it. Goat. Thank you. All good, Ems. All good. Farry, the side eye. What? Bro, I didn't take it. Who, me? What, me? You think I would take that, me? Holy candle. Yeah, crazy, innit? Crazy stuff. Let's actually have a look. Wait. Oh my god, the old Daily Open would have cooked. Look, this was the old Daily Open. The old Daily Open strat would have been flying now. Look at that. Avit. Right down to TP. It's right there. We got the new and improved. The new and improved. Oh my god. Right, looks like this is gonna break even now, which is good. Right. Just looking at my trade. I mean, no, not looking at my trade. Just looking at the time. Anyway, sorry. Could you explain what a daily pivot is? So Gideon, what a daily pivot is so it goes off the previous day. So it goes the highest like price. So the price high. Well, anyway, it calculate basically they calculate like the highest price got to in the day, the lowest price got to in the day, right, and the closing price. I think you add it all together and divide it by 3. I think that's what you do, and that gives you like the daily pivot for today. So that daily pivot is used as like support and resistance. So basically, it's like one line where there's like that was like the middle of price, and that pivot normally acts as like an anchor to price. So price normally travels towards it and bounces off it, etc. So yeah. However, new daily open ran 4.32R. Daily open is so back. You just don't understand, do you? You don't understand. It's so back. Look at this. 4.32R. So back. You know how much I've been in the trenches with this fucking strat. I was in the trenches for this whole month. It's so back now. So back. Oh my, it's so back now. It's so back. Lock in. Lock in. Buzz in. It's so back. It's so back. I'm about to tear. Oh, this market's getting it. I'm about to tear out this market. I've been absolutely bummed this month. It's about to be real. We're about to cook. Actually, should I remove my limit? Yeah, John, if you're not tagged in, remove it. Yeah, definitely. But anyway, guys, that's a successful forward test. I'm buzzing. Good thing to step on towards the week, actually. Really nice start to the week. So yeah, appreciate you all joining the live. As always, appreciate you all joining. You know I love you all, as always. And yeah, that's gonna be me done. I'll be live New York as always. See you in New York. See you in Asia again tomorrow. And yeah, man, love you all, man. Hey bro, how are you? I'm good, Shidin. How are you? How are you? Wait, what's up, Wisdom? I'll wait for you, Wisdom. But yeah, John, if you're not in this, I'd remove the limit. How was it successful when it hits 4R, not TP? Wisdom, let me put this into perspective for you. It's a win because 1, it ran 1R and we're at break even, so we're not losing anything on the trade. And 2, 4R is if you risk, say you risk like 100 quid. You make 400 quid. That's a win. You have 4 times your risk. That's insane. So yeah, that's a win. And however, we're not even tapped out of break even yet. So this could just be a retracement into our full TP. But yeah, that's why it's a win, because basically anything that hits 1R and goes, even if price goes to 1R and hits break even, that's a win because you're not losing any money. So yeah. But anyway, guys, appreciate you all joining. I'll see you all in a bit. All right, much love. In a bit, Gaz. In a bit, Alex. Love you, Alex, bro. In a bit, Wisdom, John, Lazy Queen, other John, Clint, Gideon, Big Rick, Ems. Oh, thanks. All good, Wisdom. Sleep well. You sleep well as well, Ems. What about 4,570, 472 buy? I have. What do I have? Hang on. I have. That's why. Yeah, I have this 4,520. I have 4,520 Ash for a buy. Thanks. All good, Wisdom. Good night, Gideon. Thanks again. All good. Cheers for joining, John. In a bit, Farouk. In a bit, everyone. All right. Peace.